good decision to do self-care like this. Good morning guys from the beach. Today I decided to do a self-care day and we are at Palawan beach in Sentosa. I was actually gonna go to Siloso beach but my cab driver dropped me off here, so I was like, okay, let's just hang out here. It's really nice. I'm like the only person here, which is so cool. And yeah, I think it's really important to take time off for yourself, especially because I always do my edits on the weekend, so it feels like I'm always working and like doing my own things. But today I thought it'd be really nice to just be out. It's actually kind of gloomy today, which is kind of sad, but it's nice because it's not hot. So yeah, I'm gonna set up camp right now before heading into the water. It's actually really early right now. It's like 7:20. I wanted to come really early because it gets super hot in Singapore by like 9 AM and it's less crowded, so it's nice. I literally have the entire beach to myself at this time, which is so cool. And we've got the Hydro Dash park over there. It basically has a lot of inflatables that you can jump on and slide down, which looks really fun. I've been wanting to do that, but I'll probably get to it soon. I'm actually wearing a dress that I made a while back. Initially I wasn't really happy with it because I thought I looked really frumpy and like maternity-like, but wearing it today I thought it was fine. So this was a pattern that I kind of just watched a video online. It's really simple. It's basically 4 rectangles, so there's not a lot of shape to it, which was why initially I didn't think it was that flattering. Ooh. If you can hear that, we actually have peahens and peacocks like walking around. I'll show you guys. We have Mr. Peacock over there in the far left, and then little Miss Peahen following behind. I definitely miss the beaches in Sydney so much. It's so nice. Just in general, the beaches in Australia are so beautiful. It's sad that what we have here can't compare, but I am just taking it for now. I love looking at the sky above. It's so nice. I used to do this all the time in Sydney, like just lie on the grass and look up in the sky or go to the beach, and yeah, it's just bringing me back a lot of fond memories. The only thing that's really annoying me right now are the flies. They keep like flying around my leg. Yeah, but it's something I just need to block out of my mind. So I think I'm going to head into the water because the flies are really annoying me. It's also getting really humid right now, so I'm gonna change and we're gonna head in. It feels weird wearing a bikini here, like just in Singapore in general. So I'm just wearing a tank top and some sports shorts. Okay, that raven looks really scary though. Go away, my dude. I've also had the GoPro Hero 9 for about a year, but I've never really used it because a couple of times that I did, I was really disappointed with the footage. But to be honest, I've never really been very impressed with GoPro footages. Maybe because I was filming in pretty low light situations, so I'm really hoping that today, because it's pretty bright out, the footage will be okay. So fingers crossed. It's really funny, I'm using the selfie stick and it's like super clunky. But yeah, let's just head on in. Woo! It's nice. Oh my gosh, I haven't been in the water in like ages. It's so nice. I feel so happy. This was a really good decision to do self-care like this. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's go into the water.
been a while, my friends, doing something fun like this. Sorry, my horizon's like all tilty and whatnot. I really want to do the hydro dash soon, but I was reading that you need a buddy system, so like 2 to 3 people, and I probably have to go with my friends because honestly I would like go by myself, but I don't want to get paired with a random stranger, you know. It looks really cool. This is so fun. Okay, I definitely need to do this more. If you want to swim at the beach, like try to go on a weekday. I know it's like not possible for a lot of people because everyone's working, but or at least like try to go at a really early time where it's like less crowded, because it's totally worth it. There's like barely anyone here and it just feels so nice. I'm sorry I'm struggling while I'm not talking and swimming, but I feel so happy, to be honest. Yeah, best decision in a while.
That was so much fun, oh my gosh. I definitely recommend beach days as a self-care routine. It was so nice, I just felt so happy in the water. This is definitely something I needed to recharge. I'm starting to feel really pruny, so I'm just gonna rinse off and then dry off on my mat. Whoa, that shower head hurt so much. But I guess the force is to get rid of all the sand particles. Still, it just felt like something was jabbing me. My beach bag isn't the lightest, so I'm probably not gonna hang around for too long. I feel really refreshed after having a little bit of a rinse off. And right now I'm just gonna check out the bridge before heading to the nearest mall, which is Vivo City. I feel so weird being so barefaced on camera, but this is such a cool bridge. I definitely recommend you check it out. Let's have a look at what's up there. Okay, there is one more level to go. I just checked out the bridge to see if there was a view. It was a little bit blocked by the trees, so hopefully we get a better vantage point one floor up. We've got some pretty nice views up here. Wow. So I was thinking of getting Auntie Anne's pretzels as a snack. I really love it so much. I love the almond flavor as well as the seaweed, but unfortunately it only opens at 11. Right now it's 9:48. So I'm thinking that because I have 40 minutes to kill and that's like quite a bit of time, I'm probably gonna head towards the city, closer to home, and then go to another outlet that's there. I've definitely added way too much coconut water, so it's a little bit too watery, but bon appetit! I really hope it's nice. Such a huge bowl. I think this would be better if it's not as watery, but other than that, Taste-wise, I think it's nice. It's not too sweet. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna dig into this treat today. I'm gonna add a little bit of honey just to sweeten it a little because I got the unsweetened version of the acai puree. So yeah, I think this is gonna be good now.